And welcome back to Cloud Genius Hub. I'm Amit Ghosh, and today I'm going to discuss about Google Cloud. Means if you want to build up your skills on Google Cloud, then definitely you have to know on which roadmap you should, right? So today I will show you the path to start Google Cloud with. Okay, so Google Cloud, basically this training also Google provides in Google Skills portal. So you can get this uh, everything, every training and all details in skills.google. Go to that website and join in, and so that you can learn Google Cloud and associated learning. Okay, so first of all, we today we will check about the first step of learning Cloud is to complete the Associate Cloud Engineer exam. Okay, so we will go through the Associated Cloud Engineer exam guide. An Associate Cloud Engineer deploys and secures application services and infrastructure, monitors operations of multiple projects, right, and maintains enterprise solutions to ensure that they meet target performance metrics, right. And these individuals has experience working with public cloud or on-premises solutions, and they are able to perform common platform-based tasks to maintain and scale one or more deployed solutions that leverage Google managed or self-managed services on Google Cloud. So first of all, in this exam, you just have to know about the cloud solution environment, how Google is managing uh, their cloud services into their Google Cloud. So first of all, you will setting up the Google projects and accounts, and you have to create resources hierarchy, and also you have to know about the IAM policies and roles, and how you can manage the users and groups in cloud identity management. Okay, and then you also have to uh, gather your knowledge to enable APIs within the projects. There are many APIs that also integrated in Google Cloud, so you have to know how you can integrate those APIs into different projects whatever you will work on. Okay, and you also have to know the provisioning and setting up products in Google Cloud, and also how networking is happening inside Google Cloud. And then you have to move to the billing and billing configuration. That is the very much crucial for any project, for any organization, the billing section. So how you can create your billing accounts inside that cloud account. Okay, and how you can link any projects to a particular billing account, and how you can establish the budget and also the alert for your billing account. So this is very much crucial for every organization to maintain the billing account securely and efficiently, right? And after that section is completed, we will be moving to the next section, that is planning and implementing a cloud solution. Okay, so 30% of the exam, 30% of the questions come from this section, that is planning and implementing. Okay, basically the main core part of the cloud solutions. So first of all, you have to know how you can plan your compute engine, Kubernetes engine, cloud run function, storage, and all the services that is required for any project. And also then you have to launch the compute instance, that is the availability policies and SSH keys. Okay, and then you also have to know how you can configure the OS login and which OS flavor you need in your project, and also you have to create the VM manager, and using that spot VM instances and custom machines types, you have to install and configure the command line interface for Kubernetes, right? And also you have to know how to deploy the GKE, that is Google Kubernetes engine, with different configurations like GKE autopilots, regional cluster, and private clusters, right? And also you have to know how to deploy containerized applications to GKE, that is Google Kubernetes engine. Means you also have to know how it these containerized applications run on top of the Kubernetes, how it can Kubernetes manages those applications, because those applications are very important for uh, any projects, means for any organizations, because they just want to run those applications. Maybe it will be a very uh, high performative AI applications will run on top of that. Okay, like this. And also you have to know how to deploy applications to serverless compute platforms, including for the processing Google Cloud events. Okay, like cloud storage, object change notification events. Okay, like this. Then there is a planning and implementing storage and data solutions. You have to know, means how you can plan how much storage is required, and what how data flows will be uh, there in that cloud project. And also Google Cloud managed services for Apache, Kafka, and memory store. Okay, now choosing and deploying storage products, you have to know, because like cloud storage, file store, Google Cloud Net Apps, volumes, and also cloud storage options. Okay, now then you have to the networking services, means how uh, if you go, means if you go through this roadmap, this is actually applicable for every cloud solutions. Means AWS, Azure, all roadmaps are similar. Okay, so but the services are different, solutions are different, but roadmaps are same. So next you have to know how the networking services are are working inside Google Cloud Solutions. So you have to know how you can create the PPCs with subnets, and also you have to create and apply cloud next generation firewall, how you can make it more secure with those policies. Okay, and how you can apply ingress and egress rules and the attributes for to secure your network and your Google Cloud solutions. Okay, services inside your Google Cloud project. Okay, and also how you can use the tags and service accounts in Google NGFW policy rules, that is firewall. Okay, and also you will eventually knows how to establish network connectivity with network peers and cloud VPNs and cloud interconnect. And also you have to deploy the load balancers, and you have to know how differentiate the network service tiers. Okay, then you have to go next section, that is successful operation of a cloud solution. So 27% of the questions will come into this question in this exam. And so first of all, you have to know how you manage your compute resources, uh, like remotely connecting to a compute engine's instance, how you can do that, and viewing currently running compute engine instances, and working with snapshots and images. And also you have to know how you can view the currently running Kubernetes engine cluster inventory. Okay, and you also have to configure GKE to access artifact or registry, and also you have to work with the GKE node pools, and you have to work with the Kubernetes resources like pods, services, stateful sets. Okay, and you also have to know how to manage the horizontal and vertical pod auto scaling configuration, how you can scale in and scale out pods in different requirements. And also you have to know how you can deploy new version of cloud run applications, and also you have to know how to adjust application traffic splitter parameters, like cloud run functions, GKE. Okay, and configuring auto scaling for a cloud run application, you all have to. Okay, so uh, in this section you also have to know how to manage, you will get to know that how to manage storage and data solutions, and you also have to manage and securing objects in cloud storage buckets. Okay, and you have to estimate the cost of data storage resources. And you will get to know in this section that this section is a bigger than other sections. So you also have to know how to manage networking resources, like adding subset to an existing PPC, it's like managed services section actually. And also the most important part in managed services, that is monitoring and logging. How you can monitor your cloud services which are running well or not. You have to you will get knowledge from this section. Okay, you have to create cloud monitoring alerts based on resources metrics, and also you have to create an ingesting cloud monitoring custom metrics, that is from application logs to your cloud infrastructure logs. Okay, and also how you can automate this exporting of logs to external systems like Splunk or BigQuery or on-premises devices. Okay, so also you have to configure the log buckets, log analytics, and how you can differently configure and create new log analytics on top of that, means with the metrics you will get from the system. So all these things you have to know, and how you can uh, means build a query insights like Prometheus, how you can integrate Prometheus or Grafana. You all have to know from this section actually. Okay, and also deploying Google Cloud Managed Services for Prometheus. That is actually very much a requirement for this monitoring purposes. And also you will get to know the how you can use Gemini Cloud Assist for cloud monitoring. And because the AI is already integrating in Google Cloud also, so Gemini Cloud Assist will help for cloud monitoring purposes. And next section, that is configuring access and security, very much important for any cloud projects. Uh, the access and security, but only 20% of the questions will come from this section, but it is very much crucial for any projects of any cloud providers, right? That is the managing of identity and access management system. Okay, you have to create, you have to know how you can create IAM policies, IAM users, and means you can how you can define IAM roles to the users and groups. Okay, and how you can secure your cloud services. You just have to make sure from this IAM management. And next part is the managing service accounts, that is creating service accounts and using service accounts in IAM policies with minimum permissions. Okay, and most important thing for every cloud solution is never give the root permission, that is the highest permission to any user. Okay, by default give a viewing permission, the basic permission to view the have with viewing rights. They can't do anything, any edit or something. Also, you will know how you can keep the permission to a particular user for particular time. Okay, and in this section you will know how you can manage the IAM permissions of a service account, and also managing service account impersonation. And also you will know the how you can create and manage short-lived service account credentials. That is what I was telling about the duration of the access. Okay, and also you will know how you can use Google Cloud Service Account with a GKE applications, Google Kubernetes engine. Okay, so this is the exam guide. This is the exam guide for associate cloud engineer, and every cloud engineer who actually want to learn Google Cloud or want to start Google Cloud, they should start with this associate cloud engineer. And this is the exam guide. I will in the description below you will get the link of this document, and keep it, download it and keep it for your reference for your learning path. Okay, so that you can easily know what things you have to learn and deploy and in the lab, so that you can pass in the exam. So best of luck. And next in next couple of videos, we will go through the Google Cloud Lab, and we will do some hands-on lab session. And yeah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.